Uh, Thank you so much. Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound
very-
like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
no. We were wishing like that. Rather, we say
Wishful thinking. Yes.
wishful thinking, and rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here. Of
And
Rajni.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another. Now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make a 1,000 crore film with him now.
Sir, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of, a lot of
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around
It's
Gajni
not
too.
going around. No,
This
actually,
is where you heard it
we
first.
both
This is
did
where you
not
heard
think
it
about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better.
Right.
It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living each other out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहां से कहीं से inspiration आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया.
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it?
Starting
How
there
was
is
it for you? Talk to us about that because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. You know, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. You know, did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay. all the way to Demachilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It was looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right.
Yeah, to read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Banni
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma
So
Swaraj
this,
ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So so about the story of the film, I think so we should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a,
Just
which
the
we will
mulaqat
save for the
we can
film.
talk
it's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed in as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि 2 लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie ना, ये तो कुछ हटके. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also a writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot and lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing. Sir.
My time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The
see-
process of learning never stops. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this be like, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true